provide professional CNC lathing, sliding, fixed head, and CNC milling machine processing with years of rich experience, excellent processing quality, and perfect service system. We also provide relic post-processing services, internal and external dehydrator grinding, surface treatment, assembly, and testing to provide customers with a full range of solutions. Hongding